Good morning, students. This is Sushil Misra, and today we are going to start chapter 12, area related to circle, NCERT book, class 10. So, as you know, in the previous chapters we have studied about circle. In 10th chapter we discuss about circle. In 11th we discuss about the construction related to circle, and now in 12th chapter we are going to discuss about the area of the circle. So, this is a circle. So general and basic terms already we have discussed in chapter 10. This is center, this is radius. If we'll join this, then AB must be diameter. So I think so we have discussed plenty of things about circle in chapter 10. So here we will discuss about the area, how to find the area and circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle, that from the very small classes we are studying. Circumference of circle denoted by capital C must be equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, and area of the circle, pi r square. Value of pi is what? Similarly 22 by 7 or 3.14, and r must be the radius of the circle. Some more thing, root 2 is what? 1.414, root 3 1.732. Okay, not more than this. Root values are used in this chapter. So root 2 and root 3, you must be knowing the value of root 2 and root 3. In question, if suppose in question it is given use root 3 is equal to 1.7 only, then it means you have to take only one decimal place value. Okay, so this is the general formula which we are going to use in the first exercise. Okay, this is for the first exercise. In the second exercise, segment, sectors. So when we will reach out in the second exercise, we will discuss about what is sector, what is major segment, what is major sector, minor sector, and all these things. So now we are going to start exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, very first question I am taking. The first question is the radii of the two circle are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. So small r1 is equal to 19 centimeter, small r2 equal to 9 centimeter. Now find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circle. It means suppose one circle is given in which r is equal to 19 centimeter, and the other circle is given in which suppose capital R equal to 9 centimeter, or here we have taken out, so r1, suppose this is r2, and one circle, that big circle, and its radius suppose capital R. We have to find out the radius of this new circle whose circumference is equal to sum of the circumference of both the circle. It means circumference of this circle C1 plus circumference of this circle C2 must be equal to C. Likewise, okay, so let radius of new circle be R. So therefore, as per the question, C1 for the first circle, C2 is equal to C. C1 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2 is equal to 2 pi R. 2 pi can be taken as common, so R1 plus R2 is equal to capital R. 2 pi R. This 2 pi will cancel out. So value of R1 is of course 19, and this 9 centimeter is equal to R. Therefore R must be equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore radius of new circle is 28 centimeter. This will be the solution for your first question, exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. This will be the solution of the very first question. Now we are moving for the second question. The radii of the two circle are, again R1 is the very same question I am just writing. So this is question number second. Radii of the two circle are 8 centimeter. Suppose R1 is 8 centimeter and R2 is what? 6 centimeter. Okay. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to, here C1, now here A1. This will be 8 of course, and this will be 6. Okay. A1 upon A2 must be equal to capital A. And the radius of the new circle is, find the radius of the circle having, and this suppose like this. So R1 is 8 centimeter, R2 is 6 centimeter. Let radius of the new circle be R. So here this will be A1, A2 must be equal to A. So area of the circle pi R1 square pi R2 square is equal to pi R square. Pi must be taken as common. So R1 square plus R2 square must be equal to pi R square. So pi will cancel out. Value of R1 square means 8 square plus value of this 6 square is equal to R square. Okay. Later on we'll put the unit. So likewise this will be 100 is equal to R square. So root over 100 is equal to R. Therefore R is equal to 10 centimeter. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore radius of new circle be 10 centimeter. This will be the solution of your second question. So in this video we discuss about area of the circle, circumference of the circle, and we solve two questions. In the next video we'll see the rest of the question of this exercise. Thereafter the main objective of this chapter is what? To learn about the segment and the sector, that is in your second exercise. So we'll go in the second exercise as well after this video, after completion of this exercise. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can post your comment. I'll be there to sort out your problem. Thank you.